How to fix CarPlay not working on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the CarPlay option not working on your iPhone. Now CarPlay makes it safer to use your mobile phone when you drive, but you still should not drive. But let's get to fixing it. First of all, open up your settings. After you open your settings, scroll down till you find screen time. So after you find screen time, open it up. Now when you're on screen time, scroll down and you'll find content and privacy restrictions. Head over there and turn this off. After you turn off content and privacy restrictions, simply go back to your settings, head over to your general, and there you should see CarPlay. Tap on CarPlay and check if it works. If it works, that's great. If it does not work, head over to your AirPlay and continuity. And under AirPlay, you will need to go to automatic AirPlay and make it automatic. After you do that, make sure that you've also toggled on the handoff button. And after you do so, you can simply head over back and check if your CarPlay is working. Now, if it is still not working, just head over to your general again and scroll down till you find reset or transfer iPhone. Tap on reset and reset all of your settings. Now, before you start with using your CarPlay again, simply restart your iPhone. After you restart your iPhone, your problem will get fixed. And yeah, that is basically it. And that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.